It's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes with great features you love. V8 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 1-866-470-0171.
For value.